And the feather edge just sits straight on top of the gravel board like that. So on closeboard bays here, to set the gravel board pickup so they're in the right place for all of them, so the feather lap finishes at the top of the post in the right place, I've measured down to the top of my height. I'm going to put my pickup in place this way round, little offcut of gravel board, put that flush where I want it, just like that. Then I'm going to screw through there. Then as you can see, screwed that on, and then when I come through with my gravel boards on the post, once they're up and railed, it's going to be nice and flush. Same for that, same for there, same for there. Do both sides and it's easier than doing it when it's in the ground as well. Just like so, just makes life a lot easier for me. It's nicer working on them when they're flat on the floor. Thanks for watching.